Hello everyone. We see the experiment for op-amp as an adder, and this is the chart explanation for this experiment. At firstly, aim to study the operation of adder by using op-amp 741 apparatus IC 741 dual power supply, then circuit diagram, offset balance. First part is the offset balance. The offset null connections present on many operational amplifier chips can be used null any small DC offset that might appear if the capability were not used, although the output offset null may not be important where AC coupling is used. There are some electronic circuit where DC amplifier are used. An op-amp is a differential amplifier. That is means that when there is no difference between the two input, there should be no voltage on output. Input offset voltage is defined as the voltage that must be applied between the two input terminals of an op-amp to null or bring the output voltage to 0. It means that the output voltage offset balance means the at output voltage will be 0 adjustment. Okay. Then IC 741. IC 74 is an 74 op-amp. IC pins 2 is the input pin and pin number 6 is the output pin when the voltage comes from the output. Pin number 6, if the polarity is positive at the input pin number 2, then pin number 3, then the polarity which comes from the output pin 6 is negative, so that output is always reverse to the input. IC 741 looks like a small chip. The representation of 741 his IC op-amp is given below, which comprises 8 pins. The most significant pins are 2, 3 and 6, where pin number 2 and 3 denotes inverting and non-inverting terminals, and pin number 6 denotes the output voltage. Okay, then the procedure is the first connect the circuit according to the circuit diagram, get it checked and apply the power to circuit. Second, measure the output voltage. This voltage is offset voltage. Third, use pot of 10 kilo ohm and make output voltage 0. This is called as offset null. Now connect the adder circuit, get it checked and apply the power to circuit. Apply the suitable input voltage V1 and V2 to circuit. Measure the output and last take that list 3 reading by varying the voltage of the input signal. Calculate the output voltage and verify it with theoretical value. Okay, then we see the second part. Okay, then second part is the adder. Okay, in this adder, the adder can be operated by using either non-inverting mode or a differential amplifier. Here the inverting mode is used, so the input are applied through resistors. To the inverting and non-inverting terminal is grounded. This is called virtual ground. That is the voltage at that terminal is 0. The gain of this amplifier is any scale factor can be used for the input by selecting proper. Then procedure: first connect the circuit as per diagram. Second, apply supply voltage of plus 15 to pin number 7 and pin number 4 of IC 741 respectively. Third, apply the input V1 and V2 as shown. Fourth, apply to differential signals DC or AC to input. Fifth, vary the input voltages and note down the corresponding output at pin number 6 of the IC 741 adder circuit. Notice that output is equal to sum of the two inputs, and op-amp base ladder produces an output voltages to the sum of the input voltages applied at the inverting terminal. It is called as a op-amp and adder. Okay, it is called as a summing amplifier since the output is an amplified by 1. So the voltage at the inverting input terminal of the op-amp will be 0 voltage. Okay, and then calculations, observation tables, V1, V2, observed voltage V out in volt, and calculated V1 आणि V2 आपण ॲडजस्ट करायचं. आउटपुट ऑब्झर्व त्यावेळेस आलेलं आउटपुट ॲट पिन नंबर 6ला तिथे लिहायचं, आणि कॅल्क्युलेटेड आउटपुट फॉर्म्युला आहे V out इक्वल टू मायनस V1 प्लस V2. त्यानुसार कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं आणि ते कॅल्क्युलेटेड व्हॅल्यूची. देन लास्ट रिझल्ट फ्रॉम अबव ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबल it is seen that op-amp can be used as a inverting and its output is directional proportional to the addition of the input voltage. Okay, then last part we see the observations. Thank you for watching. Thank you.